children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Today in EVS we are going to do some more revision. I hope you all have practiced the revision question. This is the last revision we are going to see. Yes, I hope you all are preparing for your exam. So let's begin with few fill in the blanks, that is objective type question. Today we are going to see some fill in the blanks and true or false question. Okay, so let's begin. The first we'll see fill in the blank questions. Okay, let's start. Now the first, herbs are small plants with dash stem. Herbs are small plants with dash stem. Now you all know herbs are small plants with dash stem. Soft stem, hard or thick stem. Which option is correct here? So whichever is the correct option, you will tick that option and you will fill in the blank also. Yes. Now which option is correct here? Think for the answer. Herbs are small plant with dash stem. Yes, that is soft stem. Yes. So you will fill this word soft in the blank place also. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Dash are the plants that grow along the ground. Now which plants grow along the ground? Herbs, trees or creepers? Yes, think for the answer. Dash are the plants that grows along the ground. Which plants grows around the ground? Yes, correct. That is creepers. Creepers are the plants that grows around the ground. They need support to stand up. Yes or no? So creepers are the plants that grows along the ground. Okay. Now the next question. There are dash seasons in India. Now you all know how many seasons are there in India. We have already done these questions. Yes, there are total how many seasons? There are 5 seasons. So which option is correct here? B option, that is 5 seasons. Yes or no? So there are how many seasons in India? 5 seasons. Chalo, we will recall that seasons. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, spring. These are the 5 seasons in India. Okay. Now the next question. It is usually very dash in the mountains. When you go on the top of the mountain, the climate there is cold, warm or hot. How is the climate there? Yes, think for the answer. Correct. When we go on the top of the mountain, it is usually very cold. It is usually very cold in the mountains. Yes or no? When we climb the mountain, as soon as we reach the top, the climate is very cold. Yes or no? So, which option is correct here? Cold. Okay. Now, the next question. Autumn comes after monsoon and before dash. Before which season autumn season comes? Yes, it comes before. It comes before which season? It comes before spring season, winter season or summer season? Yes, it comes before winter season. Yes or no? How our seasons are starting? The seasons are starting from summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. So, after monsoon, which season comes? After monsoon, autumn season comes. And after autumn season, which season comes? Winter. So, autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter. So, which option you will take here? Winter. Okay. Now, kids, we have seen some of the fill in the blank questions. Okay. Now, we'll move on to the true or false questions. Let's start. We'll see some of the true or false questions. First question. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Is this statement as true or false? Yes, plants are useful to us in many ways. Yes, the statement is true. So you will write the answer for this. Yes, the statement is, what is the statement? The statement is true. Only true or false you will write. Okay, plants are useful to us in many ways. Yes or no? Plants are having many medicinal use. We use plants for making furnitures. Yes, plants are used for making papers. Yes or no? So plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, crops. Yes. So the statement is true. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Next question. Animals are not useful to us. Is this statement as true or false? Animals are not useful to us. Is the statement true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Animals are useful to us. Yes or no? Animals are useful to us. This statement is false. Animals are not useful to us. What the statement is saying? Animals are not useful to us. This statement is totally wrong. Yes or no? So this statement is false. Animals are useful to us in many ways. We get milk, we get meat, yes, from animals. We get leather, wool from animals. Yes. So animals are useful to us in many ways. We use animals for carrying heavy loads. Yes. So animals are useful to us in many ways. Okay. Now the next question. River meets seas and then flow into the ocean. Yes, when rivers are get full, the water from the river meets the sea water and then the sea water flows towards the ocean. Yes or no? Oceans are the largest water bodies. Yes, so first the water from the river move towards the seas and from seas it flows towards the oceans. So the statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. What is the statement? The statement is true. Okay. Now the next question. There are 3 seasons in India. Yes. Just now we have seen how many seasons are there in India? Yes, there are total 5 seasons in India. So is the statement true? No, the statement is false. There are 3 seasons in India. The statement is false. Okay. Now the next question. The largest water bodies are called oceans. Yes, the largest water bodies are called oceans. Is this statement as true or false? Yes, this statement is true. The river meets the sea and the sea water flows towards the oceans and oceans are the largest water bodies. Yes, so the statement is true. Now here we have discussed some of the true or false questions also. Now what you all will do, you will practice these questions in your rough notebook or your EVS notebook. Okay? We'll see some more questions in our next period. Till then, thank you kids and please practice for your exam.